Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram couldn't post tap to retry problem in Instagram comment section. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long face or long tap on Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data on Instagram application. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram application. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram app. Click on comment. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram couldn't post tap to retry problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.